Hi, this is John with WTI, and this sparkling water by Perrier is really good. And I'm gonna tell you why. So the other day I was trying to low down a little bit of soda. I've been doing it for too long. And what I did is I put a cup of juice and I topped it with sparkling water. It actually felt like soda. I had the sparkling benefits from it, and it was low on sugar and low on calories. So, not only that, this sparkling water is actually a good taste, normal sparkling water, and it's a good option if you're really trying to change the intake of soda for yourself or your family. So, high quality sparkling soda or sparkling water that you can get from Perrier. The availability that you can have for you to just drink it straight or you can mix it with a cocktail or anything else, it just does a great job. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.